Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be another review on a gel, but this gel is going to be an affordable gel as well. On my last review, I kind of got some I don't want to say backlash or comments saying that I should have been using a leave-in with that Wet Line Extreme gel. So since this gel is a cheap gel as well, I'm going to be using a leave-in with this gel so I can give it a fair review. So the gel I'm going to be using today is by Aussie, and this is the Headstrong Volume Gel. 20-hour hold in one use. This is a maximum of a level 3 hold. So this is a gel that I'm going to be using today, and this gel was $3.97 at Walmart. And for my leave-in conditioner, I'm going to be using the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. This is a Strength and Moisture leave-in mask that I'm going to be using today. So I'm going to be using this as my leave-in. So if you want to see my thoughts on this Aussie gel with the leave-in, please keep watching.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so you guys already know I start off with my hair with freshly washed, conditioned, deep conditioned hair. And that is what I'm starting off with today. I may put on some gloves because my nails are kind of chipping and I want it to kind of snag on my hair. So if I have on gloves later on in the clip, that's why I put them on. So I'm going to go ahead and section my hair as you guys know I always do, into 4 sections. And while I'm doing that, let me go ahead and say something. The Wet Line Extreme Gel that I used from my last review, y'all, my hair fell so bad. Like, fell out so bad from that gel. I think it was way too hard, and for me picking my roots, it was just breaking my hair. So when I washed my hair, it was just coming out. I told my husband, I'm like, Micah, like I have this whole, like, literally, I should have videoed it, but I had a whole pile of hair. I'm not even exaggerating. So after that happened, I vowed to never use that gel again. So I won't be reusing that with a leave-in like I said I probably would do. I never used it again, and I won't be using it again. So I'm going to start by just spraying this in this section of hair. And you guys know I always put aloe vera juice in my hair so my hair could be wet to do the wash and go. So that's what I'm going to just be spraying here in this bottle just to wet my hair because it kind of dried up a little bit. Yeah, my hair's starting to snag, so let me put my gloves on. Man, this leave-in mask smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. I have not tried any other brand, any other things. Nothing else from this brand, so I don't know if this is a good leave-in, a bad leave-in. I've heard great reviews and seen great reviews on it, but I've never tried it in my hair. So I'm gonna just distribute that, make sure it's all through my hair, finger detangle. Alright, so the star of the show is this Aussie gel. This is what the gel looked like as far as the consistency of it. Pretty thick consistency. So I'm going to use about that much in this section of hair. So I have it all put in my hair. My hair feels and looks pretty good. I will say that this gel kind of made my hair more wavier than curlier. So like my curls they're more wavier. Like it changed my curl pattern. It's kind of weird. I'm used to seeing my curls, more defined and all that. I mean, they are defined, but they're just not my normal. They're not my curl pattern is what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to go ahead and sit in a hooded dryer, probably diffuse and stretch my hair like I did in my last video. And then I will come back and show you guys what my hair looks like either tonight, but it's getting kind of late, or tomorrow morning. So stay tuned.
Gonna throw my memories away. Now I feel I'm done, and I am cursed by every day. day till my time is gone. I've never felt this way before, and now I know this all for sure.
Alright guys, so I just finished blow drying my hair, stretching my hair. I'm not a fan of my hair right now. My hair, this literally changed my curl pattern. Like, as you guys can see, I stretched out this part of my hair, but my hair looks wavy. Like, I don't even have, it don't even look, I don't really think I even have definition. It's more, it changed my curl pattern, which is kind of weird because I've never had a gel do that. So yeah, that's just the front that's like that. This side I still, you know, I have more curl definition on this side, and I stretch my hair the same all around, but for whatever reason, you know, certain parts of my hair is more looser than normal, and usually my hair is kind of the same curly all over. So I don't know, I'm gonna go ahead and try to fluff my roots a little bit. That my hair has body. I don't really have a lot of shine at all. My hair looks a little dull, so I'll probably spray some oil in it tomorrow morning. But you guys know the drill. I will pineapple my hair tonight and then come back in the morning and show you guys what my hair looks like. But so far my hair feels, you know, it feels moisturized. It just looks dry. It's not shiny like I would like it to be. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like tonight. So I'm about to go pineapple it, and I'll come back to show you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so this is day one. This is the next day of me doing my wash and go. I took it out this morning. I had a pineapple and I took it out, and my hair feels pretty fluffy. I do have a kind of a gel cast on it. You know, kind of how I felt last night. The shine really isn't there to me, so I'm going to go ahead and put some avocado oil on it to kind of break the gel cast, and also try to give me some sheen because I need it today. So I'm going to go ahead and fluff my roots. Y'all know the drill. But I'm not going to fluff it too hard because, like I said, the last time I used the gel that was too hard, it broke my hair really bad. So if my hair is not giving, I'm not going to, you know, keep tugging at it. But I mean, to say this is day one hair, this looks pretty good. My curl pattern looks a little better today. It don't look as, you know, way down. So that's a plus on it. I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges down, and then I'll be back to tell you guys my final thoughts. Alright, so I just kind of switched my part over from the middle part to over here. I did that by just doing this. So as you can see, my hair has the volume and the body. My final thoughts is that the gel is good. I would use this like on a trip if I was like in Houston a weekend. I want to wash my hair, something quick and cheap to bring with me. It's not the best gel that I've used in the world, but I mean, for $4, it kind of, you know, it did the job. The only thing I didn't really understand was that my curl pattern did kind of change, and to me, I still think today it's not the same, but it's not as wavy as it was yesterday. So that's something it's a little different for me. But all in all, I don't know how long this will last. Of course, I'll write in my description box what it'll look like on day 2 or 3. I have some frizz, but I don't mind it. Kind of gives it, you know, its shape. But day 1 hair, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I think I can rock this today. Well, I'm going to, because I'm not washing my hair again today. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.